Welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events, and this is going to be a quick blog video. And no, you will not see me because I just woke up. And this is going to be very quick. Now, again, I'm calling this week the no hype zone. For you snow lovers, I've said over and over the possibility for cold and dry is on the table. Right now, the hope for wintry weather is not that great. That does not mean it's set in stone. We've seen how fast models change in a short period of time, but cold and dry is favored over anything wintry at this time, but you know how fast these can change. So I want to go over the newest model data right here. This is Friday morning at 6 o'clock, and the next round of rain is starting to advance in. And look at the rain coming in Friday afternoon and into Saturday. Some of that will be locally heavy as well. This is 4:30 in the morning. So when things get a little bit interesting, but I just want to focus in on the rain. And the amounts too. This is the next round of rain. According to the GFS, you see 4 inches, and that 4 inches primarily in this corridor, maybe Little Rock, but you see a very thin corridor. I think a general 2 to 3 inches, maybe some lollipops to 4 inches will be possible. In Little Rock, the rain amounts according to the Euro, and I'm sorry, that should say through Saturday, 4 inches according to the Euro, the NAM 2.9, the GFS 3.3, Y 2.9 is taller than 3.3 is beyond me. That's called having to go into the computer and change that. So I've changed from the European guidance to the GFS guidance because the GFS is the only one showing anything wintry. And when the GFS is the only model showing anything wintry between the two of those, you know you're in trouble. But there is this possibility at least. You see the rain. This is on Friday. It's got that corridor of heavier rain. And then on the backside, there could be a changeover in north central Arkansas to some sleet or snow as the colder air starts to come in on Saturday. So will this be more extensive is a question that is possible. So if you're wanting wintry weather, if this system wraps up a little bit more, pulls in cold air, slows down, this could be more extensive. But right now it does not appear that way. But I'm trying to wish cast this for you. But we know that that's meteorological malpractice. This obviously is the corridor favored for anything on the back side of it. Could it be more extensive? It is something to watch. But right now, cold rain ending Saturday, and then going into Christmas Day, it is dry and cold. So that was your quick blog update, and I will have more for you coming up throughout the day on social media and in the coming days. I'm on vacation right now, so I've got a lot going on. The kiddos doing things for Christmas, but I know many of you want a white Christmas, and they are rare around here. And it's not off the table to have that. But right now, if you look at the odds tilt towards cold and dry over anything snowy. But, it's the 20th. This is still a few days away. It's getting closer and closer, so confidence is building. But you look at what happened yesterday and last night with the rain, and I remember going into work Saturday morning, and it showed just maybe southern Arkansas getting some rain. This was just last Saturday morning. Just maybe southern Arkansas getting a little bit of rain, and it turns out that we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 inches of rain much further north, and we even had a tornado warning in East Texas last night. And all the models had the system much weaker, and in the Carolinas. So obviously things can change. I'll keep you updated, everybody. Thanks for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to we are your ticket to big weather events in the no hype zone.